Hello everyone, this is analysis of gold, looking at the daily time frame to kick things off. And I just want to start off by saying what an interesting day was Wednesday evening, I should say. What an interesting Wednesday, Thursday it was. Right after I posted my videos, I happened to check the quote for gold, and gold happened to have a flash crash, basically falling down to around this 1298 level, I believe. And then by the morning, we were already back to 1307 again, and then the price just rocketed back upwards. So, the move that I was essentially looking for was much more rapid than I think anybody had anticipated. It caught a lot of people off guard. Keeping everything in mind, it's a market that's unpredictable, obviously, and the strength in gold has been phenomenal. Let's just put it that way. So let me just go ahead and drop down to the hourly time frame and try to figure out exactly when we'll see a top here and what's been going on. So, I had this trend line drawn up for when I was doing my membership videos, and decided to leave it in here because I think that we're going to end up seeing the importance of that again sometime soon. But right now, we've been just we had a very nice retracement here slash bottom here put in around this 1298 level or so. And, we've rocketed back up, came back, rested a little bit, and bulls made a couple attempts to really get up to these highs. As far as this action here, I'm not really too let me just put it this way. I'm not really taking all of this grind up higher into too much of consideration, considering it was a lower volume day, given that it's a holiday weekend here. So, um, what we'll be looking for is price to probably come back down to this trend line, and then if this move actually, is going to continue higher, then obviously it'll use this as support and then launch a little bit higher. So, looking on a daily time frame, try to get some of the selling pressure areas in here. So, next level after a break of this 1330 level is going to be pretty much heading up to about this 1338, 1339 level. We are pretty extended as far as gold just running without a break here. I think that we should kind of have a little bit of a break because I think that the U.S. dollar yen pair is going to start, or I should say, is going to continue its ascent. Now, you may notice that basically, if you look at the U.S. dollar yen pair and compare it to gold's movement, it does seem like it's decoupled a little bit. That the relationship is starting to disintegrate. So as the dollar yen has essentially been trying to bounce and been somewhat sedated, let's put it that way. Gold has been taking advantage of it, and so I think that when things do realign, if in fact the relationship is still relatively strong between the two pairs, then we're going to see a rude awakening and gold pretty much just leave a lot of people hanging at one point in time. And I think it's going to come soon, so just be careful. Still looking for a retest of this uptrend line here. I know it's down here near 1300, but gold does get kind of crazy when we get to these upper 1330s. Everybody gets kind of excited, especially the shorts and the longs. Everybody gets excited, let's put it that way. So I'm going to be looking for an opportunity to take another short shot at gold sometime this upcoming week. I think that we'll see it maybe earlier in the week, but again, it depends if anything crazy happens with North Korea or China, India. So keep your eyes on the news. I'd like to get mine from ZeroHedge.com, and I'm not endorsing them in any way, but I do get my news from them, as well as Forex Factory and such. Again, not endorsing them, but just some good resources that I use when I do choose to read up on things over the weekend, just to gauge the sentiment of the marketplace. But as far as gold is concerned, again, we grinded higher today, and I think that we're going to see maybe a little bit of a tap here opening up earlier in the week, and then probably see some consolidation here. We're definitely due. Dollar looks like it's going to start getting its feet on, and same thing with the dollar yen pair. So stay tuned. It'll be very active, and the move down could be aggressive. So we'll have to just play it out and obviously see how everything kind of comes to fruition. But in the meantime, I'll be just kind of sitting back and letting gold do its thing until I see that it's starting to keel over on the top side here. And I think maybe it'll be another shot around maybe the mid area here. But this is definitely holding gold for now, and I'd like to see us come back down a little bit here, maybe kind of consolidate around 13.15 before the price continues to go up higher. But in either case, I still would like to see the price consolidate and get itself together before we do continue to push up higher. So that's what I'll be expecting, and keeping my eye on the dollar yen pair. Again, they're very, very connected, and so if the relationship is going to continue to be as it was, then we'll just continue to see um, gold retrace from here, and the dollar yen try to rocket back up a little bit higher with the dollar on its bounce play. So again, that's what I'm looking for. I hope you all had a wonderful second half of the week and have a awesome long weekend ahead. I'll update you all next week as usual. I'm Moon Wall Street. This has been a presentation of the TradersPerspective.com. Please feel welcome to leave comments below, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can visit me at the website in the contact section or shoot me an email at thetradersperspective@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching.